Hey, welcome back. This is Bill with We Cut Grass. I want to thank all you guys that are returning and hello to all my new viewers. Today's project will be us returning this fence to a upright position by leveling, bracing, and reestablishing the footings. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. All your support will be well appreciated. Please stay tuned. We're about to begin removing some of the dirt and old concrete around the post, so that way we can have movement up from the post and the fence when we start adding the bracing and start putting it back to a square, upright position. So with the removing of the dirt, that allows us to have some actual movement in the fence, because right now some posts might be a little loose. They might move this way, they might move that way, but we want to be able to have all angles of motion while we actually put in the bracing. With some of the debris removed from around the fence post, we have a little bit of motion and the motion that we need to make sure that the fence is square and level. As we are leveling the fence, we are adding the bracing and attaching it to the ground, so that way we can actually finish removing the actual dirt and add the concrete footing. We've completed most of the leveling and majority of the bracing. Now we need to remove more of the actual dirt and concrete footings, so we can go ahead and finish leveling and pouring the new footings. Time to mix the concrete. In most cases, a 60-pound pack of mix takes a gallon of water. You want to go ahead and pour the mix in the wheelbarrow first and add half of the water to begin with. You want to take your rake or shovel or whatever you're using, maybe a garden hoe, and you want to go ahead and start actually combining the water and the concrete. You want to make sure that the actual mixture looks like something like oatmeal. Once you've gotten your concrete to the proper consistency, you want to go ahead and let's go ahead and pour the concrete around the post. As you pour around the post, you want to make sure you get completely around the post, and as you're pouring in, you want to pack it down with a loose stick or something else that you may have, a trowel or whatever you may have on hand. But as you pour, you want to make sure that it gets completely around the post and is deep and completely encased as possible. Use your level to make sure everything is square and it doesn't come out of square as you're actually pouring it. Your bracing should be good enough at this point where you shouldn't be bothered by an actual, knock or budge with the actual shovel. It should be pretty solid at this point. Alright, we're going to go ahead and close out this project today. I want to thank you guys who are all tuned in today. Appreciate all the support and likes and comments or whatever else you guys did today. If you're a new subscriber, make sure you hit that notification bell so when we release our new content every Saturday at 3 p.m., you definitely get notified and you won't miss out on a thing. Hey guys, don't forget we're on all social media platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok. Don't forget, take charge of your yard. We cut grass. This is Bill. Thank you guys.